Assalamualaikum and very good day to examiner. My name is Sarah Ismail, final year student of food technology, and the title for my final year project is fatty acid profiling and regional activity equivalent of cucurbitaceae family seed in different drying treatment. Cucurbitaceae plants are cultivated around the world with different environment conditions. For this study, I choose pumpkin, watermelon, and melon manis Terengganu from the Cucurbitaceae family because according to Faustet 2020, these three plants have high production in Malaysia and Walim. Cucurbitaceae seed contain many bioactive compounds and also fatty acid due to their taste and also health benefit provided when consuming them. The consumption of this fruit are very high. However, this leads to the increase of waste generated to the environment, which consists of the removed peel and seed. So, to reduce the waste generated, they are utilized to another food product or as functional ingredient. This utilization are gaining attention nowadays in the food industry and also research field. The seed were dried to reduce the physical and chemical changes that may happen during processing and also storage. The objective of this study were to identify fatty acid profiling of melon manis Terengganu, watermelon, and pumpkin seed using gas chromatography mass spectrometry in different drying treatment, which consists of sun drying, oven drying, and also freeze drying. Second objective is to identify carotenoid content in the seed of melon manis Terengganu, watermelon, and pumpkin of the sun drying, oven drying, and freeze drying treatment using high performance liquid chromatography (HPLC). Last objective is to determine the retinol activity equivalent (RAE) of melon manis Terengganu, watermelon, and pumpkin seed in sun drying, oven drying, and freeze drying treatment. The method involved in this study were first, preparation and drying of the seed. Next step is the extraction of the seed. Then we conduct GC and HPLC analysis to profile fatty acid and also identify carotenoid content. Last step is determination of total carotenoid content and retinol activity equivalent. The result obtained shown that the most dominant fatty acid that can be found in all drying treatment for pumpkin seed was monounsaturated fatty acid, followed by polyunsaturated fatty acid and saturated fatty acid. However, for watermelon and melon manis Terengganu seed, polyunsaturated fatty acid was identified as their most dominant fatty acid in all drying treatment. Polyunsaturated fatty acid are essential fatty acids that are needed for our growth and also development of the body system. Carotenoids that were determined in the cucurbitaceae seed were beta-carotene and also lutein. However, there is some samples that did not detect carotenoid content because of technical problem or error that may occur when conducting the analysis. Total carotenoid content are the corresponding value of beta-carotene, and retinol activity equivalent is the ability of the carotenoid to convert to vitamin A, also known as retinol. Total carotenoid content and retinol activity equivalent are correlated to each other. Thus, when the total carotenoid content is high, RAE, retinol activity equivalent of the cucurbitaceae also high. The conclusion that can be made from this study is drying the seed with a high temperature causes the loss of heat-sensitive nutrients like carotenoid. They are susceptible to oxidation and isomerization during processing. For the future study, I suggest to vary the drying temperature of the seed to observe the effect of temperature to this compound or identify other bioactive compounds such as flavonoid in the cucurbitaceae. That's all from me. Thank you to the examiner for spending some time to listen to my presentation. Thank you.